Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing how to fix Safari if it is not opening websites on your Mac. Well, it can be frustrating. There are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix Safari not opening websites. Number 1, check your internet connection. Ensure that your Mac is connected to the internet. You can do this by trying to open a website in another browser or checking your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Restart Safari. Sometimes simply quitting and reopening Safari can resolve the issue. Click on the Safari menu in the menu bar and choose Quit Safari. Then relaunch Safari from your Applications folder or by clicking its icon in the dock. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Safari and go to the Safari menu in the menu bar. Select Preferences and then click on the Privacy tab. Click on Manage Website Data. In the window that appears, click Remove All to clear all website data. Confirm your choice by clicking Remove Now. Close the Preferences window and try to accessing websites again. Number 3. Update Safari and macOS. Ensure that you're using the latest version of Safari and macOS. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve the issue. Go to the Apple menu and choose System Preferences. Click on Software Update to check for and install any available updates for macOS. Additionally, open the App Store and go to the Updates tab to check for Safari updates. Number 4. Check Safari extensions. Sometimes Safari extensions or plugins can interfere with its functionality. Try disabling all extensions to see if that resolves the issue. Go to Safari, then Preferences, then Extensions. Uncheck the box next to each extension to disable them. Close and reopen Safari to see if the issue persists. If the problem is resolved, re-enable each extension one by one to identify the problematic one. Number 5. Reset Safari. Resetting Safari can resolve various issues including problems with opening websites. Go to Safari, then Preferences. Click on the Advanced tab. Check the box next to Show Develop menu in bar. Close the Preferences window and then go to Develop and then Empty Cache. Additionally, you can go to Safari and reset Safari and select the options you want to reset, like such as Clear History, Empty the Cache, Clear the Downloads window, etc. You can restart your Mac. A simple restart can often resolve various software issues, including problems with Safari. Save any open work, click on the Apple menu and choose Restart. If none of the above steps resolve the issue and Safari still won't open websites on your Mac, you may need to seek further assistance from Apple support or consider reinstalling macOS. I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video. Until next time, thank you for watching.